This raccoon was legally harvested in Japan as part of crop protection work. It starts here, in the strawberry greenhouses. Today's catch in the box trap, a raccoon and a masked palm civet. This is where our wild culinary journey begins. First, we're building the foundation. We drop the clean civet into the pot to make a rich wild game stock. And here is our main ingredient, the raccoon, fully prepped. Let's take a moment to respect the catch. Yep, it's looking right at you. We add the raccoon and civet bones, cover them with water, and let the kerosene stove work its magic. Slow boiling extracts every drop of wild essence. Now for the main event. Bite-sized raccoon meat hits the hot pan. Listen to that sizzle. We want a beautiful golden brown sear to build depth and flavor. Time for the soul of goulash, paprika powder. Don't be shy here. Coat the meat generously. This is the secret to that signature deep red color and robust flavor. In go the caraway seeds, an absolute must for authentic flavor. Now, we transfer our perfectly coated raccoon into a deep pot. Add a can of diced tomatoes and just enough water to cover. Back onto the kerosene stove it goes. We'll let this simmer gently for about 1 to 2 hours. Meanwhile, bam! Magic onions, peeled, sliced, and diced in seconds. Next, we prep our colorful bell peppers, red, yellow, and green. As for the garlic, a little kitchen martial arts. One solid punch does the trick. Into the pan goes olive oil, our smashed garlic, and the diced onions. We're going to sweat these down slowly until they're perfectly sweet. Toss in the red and yellow peppers. Notice we held back the green ones? They lose their vibrant color if cooked too long, so they go in later. Aesthetics matter. Our raccoon is beautifully tender now. Let's marry the meat with our sweet, aromatic vegetable base. Remember that wild game stock from earlier? We chilled it into a rich, flavor-packed jelly. In it goes. This elevates the stew to a whole new level. While that simmers, we prep our side dish, pommes sautées, classic French-style sautéed potatoes. We sauté the boiled potatoes in foaming butter, beurre mousson. The thermometer is only a guide here. What really matters is the color, the aroma, and the sound of the butter. When the potatoes turn crisp and golden, they're ready. The potatoes are finished in beurre noisette, giving them a crisp golden crust and a deep, nutty aroma. Time for another punch, shredding the three-colored peppers for a vibrant garnish. Now, let's plate like a Michelin-starred chef. A dust of paprika on the rim. A perfect canal of sour cream, topped with our shredded peppers. And the star of the show. A rich, glistening ladle of Raccoon Goulash, placed right in the center. We nestle our golden pommes sautées right into that beautiful sauce. A sprig of fresh Italian parsley to finish. There you have it. The ultimate Raccoon Goulash, wild, refined, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this Raccoon Goulash, please subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me continue creating dishes with underutilized wild game from Japan and sharing this unique food culture with the world.